Welcome to the realm of survivalist indoor gardening. Picture the sense of self-reliance when you harvest fresh produce directly from your home base. Achieving this lifeline requires 3 crucial steps. First, secure your location. This might be a window ledge, a shelf, or even a table. While sunlight is beneficial, it's not mandatory for survival. Second, pick your crops. Survivalist picks like basil and parsley for their medicinal properties, leafy greens like spinach for their nutrient density, or even tomatoes for their versatile use. Selection should be based on your dietary requirements and spatial conditions. Third, immerse yourself in the dirt. Utilize a high-grade potting mix, sow your seeds, maintain a consistent watering regimen, and observe your survival garden come to life. However, endurance is the mantra here. Gardening is a voyage, not a one-time task, so lean back, appreciate the evolution, and feast on the fruits of your toil. Until we meet again, keep cultivating, keep surviving.